Single rolling diaphragm. Scenario: pressure reducing application. Upstream pressure is 85 psi, downstream pressure is 40 psi. 3-inch service line with a 6-inch pressure reducing valve operating with a single rolling diaphragm. The downstream gate valve is open, providing for demand. The lab is laid out with a 3-inch main, a 6-inch PRV, and a downstream gate valve. The micrometer needle reads the position of the stem, showing the valve's operating position. Changing the pilot setting changes the micrometer position. To simulate low flow demand, we close the downstream gate valve and open the isolation ball valve connected to a small hose. Close the gate valve. Demand is introduced. The demand is adjusted using the isolation ball valve to 1 gallon per minute. Pressure change corresponds to the pilot change, as shown on the pressure gauge. There is no hunting or chattering at this low level of flow. The single rolling diaphragm operates smoothly. Single rolling diaphragm pressure reducing valves will provide stable, reliable, and precise pressure control. Adjusting the pilot moves both gauges. The low flow is being provided through the 6-inch main valve. Unparalleled low flow capabilities. The single rolling diaphragm.